Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna learn how to make pasta with Peruvian Huancaina sauce. All ingredients below in my description box. Right here I'm making my spaghetti and steak. And the ingredients for the Huancaina sauce are 1 yellow Peruvian pepper with or without seeds, 1 clove of garlic, cream cheese because I don't have the queso fresco, crackers with salt or without, don't worry about it, evaporated milk or the regular one, salt, cooking oil, and a blender. And now in my blender I'm adding my yellow Peruvian pepper, garlic, 6 crackers, salt, just a little bit of milk, a piece of cream cheese, and be generous with the cooking oil. Just blend it out. You see the consistency? It's creamy, but we need more salt. So I'm adding the rest of the milk, more crackers, and more cooking oil. Remember guys, the cooking oil is the base of the Huancaina sauce, okay? Just blend it out. Look, the Huancaina sauce now is perfect for me. Right here we have our pasta already cooked. Just add the sauce and mix well. Guys, this is the final result. I hope you like my recipe. If yes, welcome to subscribe if you are new here. Every Wednesdays I have new recipes for you guys. Thumbs up and follow me on my social media. And she's Candy, my cotton de Tuliar, my partner in crime every Wednesdays in my recipes. But she has own videos every Saturday. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye-bye.